Okay, so for this sheet, we're going to rewrite in scientific notation. And the difference between this one and the other one is, if you notice the notation right now, these numbers kind of look like they're already in scientific notation, okay? But if you look at the base, 23, 861, 0.004, 0.26, for those first four, remember the base has to be between 1 and 10. Right, 23 is bigger than 10, so this isn't fully in scientific notation yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the decimal. Right now the decimal is behind the 23, right, for 23.0 or just 23. So we need it to be between the 2 and the 3. All right, so when it's between the 2 and the 3, we make it a 2.3. Okay? So we've made the base smaller, right? The base has gotten smaller. That means the exponent then has to get bigger, okay? So I'm going to write a times 10. The exponent now has to get bigger, and the base got smaller by 1 decimal place. That means the exponent has to get bigger by 1 number. Okay, so these two numbers have the exact same value, but this one is in scientific notation. Okay. All right, let's take a look at number 2. For number 2, same situation. I need this 861, the base, to be between 1 and 10. So I'm going to move the decimal. I need the decimal to be between the 8 and the 6, and that makes it 8.61. Now I have a base that's between 1 and 10. Okay. All right, so now the base, it went from an 861 to 8.61. The base got smaller. That means I need to make the exponent bigger. Okay, so I'll write a times 10. Notice the base got smaller by 2 decimal places. Okay, it got smaller by 2 decimal places. I had to move the decimal past the 1 and the 6. So that means the exponent has to get bigger by 2. Okay, and you got to be careful here with negatives. Negative 8, 2 bigger than negative 8 is negative 6. Okay. All right, in number 3, for number 3, same situation, okay? This base right now is not between 1 and 10, right? It's smaller than 1. It's 0 point something, right? 0.004. So I'm going to need to move the decimal behind the 4 to make it 4. That's going to be my new base. 4 times 10, okay? So I went from a 0.004 to a 4. The base got bigger. That means I have to make the exponent smaller. The base got bigger by 3 decimal places. So the exponent has to become smaller by 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay? And then the last one I'll do with you on here, 0.26. Okay, so again, not between 1 and 10. I need to move the decimal between the 2 and the 6 to make this a 2.6. 0.26 to a 2.6. The base got bigger. The exponent has to get smaller. Okay, so it looks like the base got bigger by 1 decimal place. That means the exponent has to get smaller by 1. 1 smaller than negative 12 is negative 13.